Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about TMDL View. So TMDL View is recently added as a new feature and currently it is in preview. So TMDL refers to Tabular Model Definition Language. So it is a script editor. In TMDL View, we can edit our model efficiently. We can easily edit the model objects like tables, measures, columns, and other advanced things like relationships, perspectives, culture, and all these things. We can easily edit. So to enable the single view, we can go to File, Options and Settings, Options. From here, we can go to Preview Features. And if you go down, you can see this Timtal View. You can check this Timtal View from here and click on OK. And you will have to restart your Power BI desktop. And after that, you can see this Timtal View. Now let's go to Timtal View. It looks something like this. So to view any script, like you want to view this table script, so you can go to Table, or from here you can go to Table, and I will pull this date table in this. So now you can see it's showing create or replace table, date table, and it is showing the columns like year, quarter, month, all the columns that are existing in the table. And here also you can see this partition date table, calculated, mode import, source, this expression. So it is also showing the DAX expression which we have used to create the table. So let's now see the all measure. So this all measure, we are having three folders, and inside folders we have different measures. So let's pull this all measure in the temple view. So once we drag anything from data pane, it is creating a new script for it. So now it is in a script 2, see table all measures, and it is showing all the measures that is there inside the all measure table. So if you see this, this measure is total profit, and it is showing the expression, and then the format string, display folder, all these things. So if you want to edit the display folder, we can easily edit it from here. If you want to change the measure expression, we can easily change it from here and click on apply to update the measure easily. The most important thing is we don't need to do it one by one. So traditionally what we had to do is we used to create each measure one by one. It used to process each measure one by one, which was time taking. So now here what we can do is we can edit all the measures which we want and directly click on apply. So all the changes are applied at once, reducing the time and effort. Next, let's go to model view. From here, let's pull the semantic model itself. See, I'm going to pull this model, and this model, it contains everything. You can see model, table orders. It's having everything inside the model. Now let's pull the relationship from here. Let's expand this and let's pull this relationship. You can see it's saying create or replace relationship, and this must be some relationship ID from column to column. Now in the editing pane, we have three options: find and replace, and this command palette. Replace will help you find and replace certain text in the Timdal script, whereas in command palette you can see the shortcuts for Timdal scripts. I'm going to show you one shortcut. So let's go to the first script. So this is a date table. Now if I click Control K and 0, see it has folded everything. And if I now expand it from here, see it is expanding like this. So it has folded everything. So now we can see what all things are there inside this date table. So inside this date table we have measure, column width, column date, column year, column quarter, column month. If you want to see any particular object, we can click on that. So if you want to see the hierarchy, expand this hierarchy and we can see that. So this is a shortcut to fold the script. Now if you want to unfold the script, we can click Control K and J. It will unfold everything. So this is one of the shortcut which we can find in the command palette. There are many useful shortcuts which we can use from here. Now I'm going to try to use this Timdal script in a new empty Power BI report. Now let me open a new Power BI report. So I will say Control N. It is going to open a new empty Power BI report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this Timdal view, and I'm going to copy the date table script here and try to apply it and see if it is getting applied. So let's copy this date table script. So Control A, copy. Let's paste it here and let's click on apply. So if I click on apply, see it's saying changes applied to the model. If I go to this table view, a date table is created, but it's showing an error. So yeah, the error is because We don't have order table in this report, and it is taking the minimum order date and maximum order date from here. So maybe we can add a date. Let's say date 2024 01/01. So this is the start date, and for end date, let's use today. Yeah, now if I click on apply again, so changes apply to the model. One or more calculated tables need to be manually refreshed. It's asking to manually refresh the table. So let's click on refresh now. Now the error has gone. So a date table is created with all the hierarchies and formatting. Now you must be thinking, what is the use of copying the script? Instead, we can copy this DAX code. So if you use this DAX code, it is going to create the table, but it is not going to copy the formatting, is not going to copy the display folders, and it is not going to copy the hierarchies. You'll have to create hierarchies, change the formattings. But in this case, it is going to copy exactly everything from formatting to the hierarchies. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.